Hi, I'm Cindy with Attleboro Kitchen and Bath. Thanks for joining me today. We're going to learn how to make a Pinterest board. And Pinterest.com, you can go ahead and either log in if you have an account or sign up if you don't have an account yet. I'm going to log in because I do have an account, and I'll click on my picture here. And that will get us into our main screen, which is my news feed. It shows pictures based on my previous searches. And I'll go onto my account by clicking on my little picture there. And on my account, I have previous boards that I've already made. And we're going to add a new one by clicking on this little plus sign and create board. And so we'll go up here. I'm going to make one for kitchen islands. And then we'll just hit create. Simple as that. It will suggest some pictures to add to your board based on the name of the board. I do like this one. I'm going to go ahead and add that one. And then over here, this one's very nice. I think I'll add that too. So I'll close this screen of suggestions. And now I'm going to search all of Pinterest for different things to add to my kitchen island Pinterest board. So I'll type in kitchen islands. I'll go for kitchen island ideas. And it'll search all of Pinterest and bring up different boards. So if I click on a picture, I can go over here, select the board that I want to save it to, Kitchen Islands, and it saves it. And I'll go back. And if I just want to do a quick save, I can hover right over the picture and click save there. So now I'll go back up to my account and I'll show you how to share that board. And that way a friend or a family can look at the board, or more importantly, you can share that board with your designer. So here's my Kitchen Island Pinterest board. I'll click invite. Now I could go ahead and copy the link that's there and email it to them, or I can search for their name if they already have a Pinterest account. And there I just type Cindy, there I am for Attleboro Kitchen and Bath, and I'll invite myself. And Pinterest boards are a great way to show your designer exactly what you're looking for as far as style, color, and also different products. So I hope you've learned a little something today. Again, I'm Cindy with Attleboro Kitchen and Bath. Take a minute and go over and visit our YouTube channel where you'll find other videos like this, as well as a virtual tour of our showroom. Thanks for joining me today. Bye-bye.